Hello everybody, my name's Ian and I build websites. Today I'm going to show you how to add field calculations to convert forms in Joomla. Okay, so without further ado, this is the form that I've pre-made without any field calculations in it. The idea here is that a potential client's going to put in the length and width of a carpet. The form is going to work out the total area. They can then choose a range. So we've got a premium range at £10 a square metre, luxury range at £25 a square metre, and it will give total cost. You could do other things like work out postage on different price or weight ranges if you're selling goods online. Okay, so let's have a look at the admin interface. If we go down to components and convert forms, and like I say, I've already made the form because if you're looking at this, hopefully you'll know how to make a form in convert forms. So my form's called field calculations demo, and here it is. Look, so you can see that this here is that form on the front end of the website. Right, so name, email address, fine. Length and width are, if I click on there, you'll see length and width are just text boxes. So we look at all the fields here. We've got size, your name, address, length, width. So yeah, they're just text boxes. They don't need to be numbers. And in fact, if you put calculation in, they can be either number or text boxes. Right, so we're going to work out the total area on here, which is length times width. It's really easy. So I click on total area. This opens the total area field. What you need to do is scroll down to the bottom, enable calculations. Now look at this. It's got all the fields in here for you. So we want length. Click the drop down here and we can click field length times. Where's the times gone? There it is. And field width. So field length times the field width. And yeah, we'll put that to 2 decimal places. Okay, and save that. Right, now this is these are radio buttons, and they've just got text on them at the moment. So if I click on here we've got premium £10 per square metre and luxury £25 per square metre here on the form, radio buttons. What we need to do here is add calculation values. So the premium at £10 a square metre are going to be 10. The calculation value is 10 because it's area times 10. Luxury £25 a square metre is 25. So we save that. And now we want to work out the total cost, which will be the total area times the range field, or whether they want premium or luxury. So click on total cost, scroll down to the bottom and enable calculations. So here we are, so we can add the field area, so total area multiplied by the range. Which range are you interested in? Okay, and we'll go 2 decimal places again and click save. Now if I go to the front end, fingers crossed, I can put in my name, my email address, there we go. The length of my room is 10.5 meters. The width is 4.25 meters, and that's has worked out the area. Oh, right, a typo there, 4.12. So let's put 4.25. Okay, so the total area is 44.63. I'm going to choose the premium range, which is £446.30. Yep, move decimal point down 1, and luxury £1,115.75. So that's how you do calculation fields in Convert Forms. I hope that was useful. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be adding videos every week. Leave comments below if you want me to do a video on anything in particular within Joomla. Thanks a lot. Bye.